streets been talking. You heard that.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my channel, you guys. Today is a very special video to me because I'm using my camera for the first time to vlog for you, and I'm so duper excited. Yee! Today I'm filming a vlog for you, and I'm gonna take you along with me throughout the day so we can spend the day together. Today is the Friday 29th, and it's literally Black Friday today. Oh my god. It's 12:19 p.m. and I'm gonna get out of my house right now. I had a late start to my day today, but it's okay because we're gonna do some activities, hopefully run some errands, and spend the day together, so yay! The weather is so nice outside, you guys. I'm so excited to go outside. I love how this shows my entire room right now. My room looks so pink, oh my god. Oh, this is the iron. I don't know guys, the hair is not hairing today. There's something wrong with my hair. I mean, it looks good, I know, but this is as best as it goes right now. It's like refusing to cooperate, but it's okay. So before I head out, I just need to pack my bag, and I'm gonna do that with you. This is the bag in question. This is my cute handbag with my cute little keychains. This is Lily, inspired by my cat Lily, and this is this cute bunny mochi thing with the flower. I still haven't named this one yet. Wait, where's the flower? Here is a little flower. So if you have any like name ideas, drop them in the comments. But right now we're gonna pack this thing with my like essentials: wallet, laptop, my camera, my chargers, some studying supplies, and yeah. I'm freaking out, you guys. First time using my camera in public. Oh my god. Wait, why do I look pretty? Oh my god. Ah. Ah. Done with the bank. Yay. Now going to probably my favorite cafe in the city. Quebec Cafe. I'm on my way. Looks like it has like a cat soap thingy and these small drawings to turn the lights off. I just left the cat cafe and I'm going to run quickly by DM, then go visit my friend at the Uni clinic, which is a hospital. Still not used to carrying a camera in public. I still get a little shy. Just finished my errands. So cute, I'm obsessed. Here in the Uni clinic already. I'm just gonna go in and oh my god. And I'll see you guys later when I go back. This guy is so pretty. Oh, let me guys show you the Uni clinic first and then I'll go. Creepy. Anyway, see you later. Looking for baking stuff. Hi guys! I have my groceries with me. Bruh, that was so funny. I can't carry it. That was terrifying. So I'm back from grocery shopping. My bag ripped, RIP. But I bought stuff for baking. I bought baking ingredients. I got the ingredients for cookies. I got brownies mix. And I got baking supplies. I have a convection oven, which is like basically a microwave, kinda like an oven. And I only tried baking on it once and it turned out really bad. But I thought I might try again. I wanted to try again. So that's what I'm gonna be doing tonight. I maybe will try the brownies mix first because I'm a little too tired for like a whole baking process. Yay! Hi guys, it's currently 10:22 p.m. I got home, I changed, and I'm gonna do a small haul of all the things I got. I still can't believe that my bag ripped on the way and that I caught that on camera. Bought baking supplies because I've been missing baking a lot and I'm like, let's go. We have first this brownies mix. This was completely impulsive. I was not planning on getting this, but after I got all the baking supplies, I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm tired and I can't do that like today. And also I just like looked at the picture of the brownies. I'm like, oh my god, these look so delicious. You know what, let's just get it. I got it. And then I got brown sugar, vanilla sugar, like baking cocoa powder, got flour, I got butter, got chocolate chips and milk. I think that's it. Yeah, Oh, I got also. I'll just write it when I'm editing. I'm just too tired. My brain is too tired to remember names. Yeah, that's it. So prepare this brownie mix, and in the meantime, I'm gonna clean up my room because it's a little messy. All the like my bag and all the stuff is like all over the place. Let's go to the kitchen. Guys, I need to show off my cute slippers. They're so cute. I'm literally obsessed with them. I love them so much. They're cute. Welcome to my kitchen. Small kitchen tour. This is my country's flag. These are the dishes right here, and here is like paper and aluminum foil and stuff. Yay! Okay, first things first, let's tie your hair. I'm literally so excited. I'm putting you guys on top of my convection oven. I'm gonna show you. Please don't mind the dishes. They're like drying there. We need butter, melted butter, water, and an egg. Very good. I'm done with cleaning and organizing and putting things back to their places, and the brownies are still cooking. So what I'm gonna do now is ta-da, right on my whiteboard. I finally bought a pen for my whiteboard today. My other pens were completely dried out, so I haven't been able to write anything for an entire week. So right now I'm gonna do some planning, and let me show you around a little bit on my board. This is a cute drawing my very lovely relative drew for me, and it has my name on it. These are like to-do lists. Here we have like a meal planner. Here we have a weekly schedule. And then like I have some not to-do lists, but like grocery lists and shopping lists and stuff all over the place. I have this prayer like a reminder, and this she did her best and God did the rest, and like a couple of cute like magnets. So right now I'm gonna reorganize it and type like the new goals and ta-da! It's done. I kept these two like the same, my little prayer reminder and this list. But what I added a new weekly schedule, but I'm gonna like write down, this is for the next week because today is Friday. I'm meaning like for next Monday. I'm gonna write it down like probably during the weekend when I think more about it. But here are the meals, like tomorrow's meals. I'm gonna like make fried rice and pack it with me, and like for dinner lasagna in a pot, and like probably get smoothie for breakfast. But I write you got this girly here, and I have this study list and to-dos. I'm happy. They're done. Yay. Oh my god. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna serve myself the brownies now, guys. Smells so nice. Oh, she's so fudgy. She is so fudgy. No, I think she's a little undercooked though. Oh, it's melted. I think she's a little undercooked. This is giving fondant au chocolat, like fondue thing, but it's yummy. It's definitely yummy. It's advised to keep it in the refrigerator so that it becomes really fudgy, but I'm gonna put it back in the oven for like maybe 5 more minutes and then put it in the refrigerator and see, like, try to taste it again tomorrow. For now, I'm just gonna like do that and go to sleep because I'm exhausted. My body is so tired today and I can't wait to go in bed. I'm pretty sure it's past 11, so it's time for me to go to bed. Yeah, so that's it. That's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the new camera, and yeah.